One of the big races for our V6 sprint drivers. It's one they all want to win, along with the Des Jays we'll see in a couple of weeks' time. We're underway for Zeke Agars. We're racing into turn number 1. And already, have a look at the lead. Nick Hall has started to open up already as they charge down to 3 and 4. Already the battle for second has started to heat up. Zach Grillett to the inside of John Filer. In fact, Grillett will get second as he charges down the back straight away. So the 84 into the second spot. Then it's the 7 of John Filer, the 17 of Kim Simon. But Nick Hall already with the length of the back straight over the rest of the field. We'll see what the margin is as he crosses the line here. Jordan Grillett does have the fastest lap of the race, however, but the margin between first and second already out to 2.9 seconds. So pretty well all the best part of 3 seconds. The race lead after 3 laps. So down the front straight away into turn number 1 and 2. The battle, you feel,
has opened up a gap to Grillett, who himself is now under pressure from Kim Simon in the 17. A little bit of a look up there. Is Kim Simon going to have enough grip to make that move stick? Not this time, but Grillett having to fend off the 17. Nick Hall well and truly checked out. In fact, he's almost got the first of the back markers up in his sights.
Second, third and fourth. Look further back to the battle with Archie Fabian and that 61 of Nathan Johns. There's Johns on screen going through turn number 1 and 2. Much of an issue for our race leader. In fact, those two in front though are racing fairly hard for their own spot, and they're quite entitled to do so as long as they do hold their racing line. And as you can see, Nick Hall just a little tentative as he came up to the behind the 61 of Johns. He wasn't quite sure where the best place to pass the particular driver would be. You might dive to the inside of Fabian here in 1. He will do so, and that is probably all she wrote with a lap and a half to go.
The race. Yeah. John Filer safely for second. Jordan Grillett safely now for third, with Kim Simon having dropped back. Double checker then for Nick Hall in a absolutely dominated the V6s tonight. Through for second place is John Filer in the 7, and rounding out the top 3 is Jordan Grillett in the 84.